Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. And today what I'm going to do is take you to my son and daughter-in-law's home, the home of my one and only grandchild. And he's who I made a lot of these cute little DIYs for. These little wooden pumpkins, I will link the video below on how I did those. And you can see them here. I just set them up in my foyer so you could see what it looked like. And that 3 stacked pumpkin I was bringing to my grandson as well. So I'm going to set up some vignettes, and this is the first one I did in their foyer. And I used the boo sign that I had made. And you can see the rag garland that I made for him with the little pumpkins and ghosts from the Dollar Tree. And then the rest of it, you know, she had some things and I brought some things. You can see some Target things there as well, the little 31 sign. So cute. It just came out adorable. Then we decorated her table. These are some of the things that she had. And he loved that as well. We started decorating her bookcases. And I made them a little bit more fall for her. And the boo stuff was for him, obviously. So I just made it really whimsical. Here's a close-up. And this was a little scarecrow I made out of the wood blocks that came out so cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this and just gave you maybe a little bit of inspiration. I don't know if you decorate whimsical Halloween or scary Halloween, but I've always done whimsical since my son was little. Now, my daughter-in-law is into Harry Potter, so we had to have a little nod to Harry Potter on one of her bookshelves. And she also loves the buffalo chicks, so we made sure we got a little bit of that together. But I hope you'll come back and join me as my Halloween series continues. And if you'd like to not miss anything, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. And if you go ahead and hit that notification bell, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you are having a blessed day.